Rachel from Slipstick. Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. Moving your outdoor furniture can be difficult to do without scratching up the deck. This new slider is a great way to move furniture around and protect your deck at the same time. It comes in a 2.5 inch or 63mm size, and there are 4 in a packet. It's made from waterproof Berber for sliding and has a grippy top surface to hold the furniture. It simply slides under the leg of the furniture, no attachment needed. The weight of the furniture holds it in place. Rearrange your outdoor furniture with Gorilla Berber sliders and your deck is protected. If your outdoor furniture is heavy, it also makes moving furniture a breeze. All Slipstick Gorilla Outdoor products are backed by our 1-year warranty.